Hi, this is Mark with Coleman Moore Company. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about a new program that put out by Tensar. It is a cloud-based program, and so let's go ahead and log right into that right now. This is Tensar Plus, so www.tensarplus.com. Okay, looks like I misspelled something here real quick. Let's do that. There we go. This is the new platform that Tensar just rolled out here earlier this year. It's replacing their old Spectra Pay. Inside here, you can see that they are doing some road design, some platform design, rail, foundation, and marine. Looks like they got some wall and slope coming online soon, along with mining and waste. I'm not really sure what those entail, but it's probably used with their geogrid. So anyway, let's go into the road module. And today, they do have asphalt pavement and soft subgrade stabilization. But today I want to talk to you a little bit about their passive proof roll submodule. It's a pretty neat feature that they come up with. They're going to ask you 4 different things to be able to pass that proof roll. One of the main things is what are you using to pass the proof roll? What kind of vehicle you're going to roll? They have to give you a choice of a loaded dump truck, loaded water truck, small front end loader like a Cat 938 or a medium end loader like a Cat 980. I'm going to choose a loaded dump truck because that seems like what I usually, when I'm out on the job site, that's usually what they have. We're going to go ahead and stick with a 1/2 inch deformation. You can go up to 1/4 inch or 1 inch deformation, but I'm going to stick with the 1/2 inch. And then the particle size, they give you D50 of 22 millimeters or D50 of 27 millimeters. I'm going to choose the 27 millimeter. That's real close to 1 inch of aggregate. That's the medium size. Down here, we'll put in a CBR value. CBR values will range anywhere when we're called out to pass proof roll, probably somewhere between 2 and 1.2. So let's just use a 1.5 value here, and let's see what we got here. So what it looks like that we have is that using our NX 850, 7 inches of aggregate will basically pass that 1/2 inch, the 1/2 inch proof roll for the rutting, or you can use 27 inches of aggregate. So it says here we got $32.47 a square yard versus the $16.45 a square yard of material. So let's see where we came up with those values at. So let's go over to value tab. In here, basically, we're going to put down that there is a 10,000 square foot area. I put the aggregate cost, been in the module before, at $20 a ton. It seems to be kind of like the going rate. And then I also put the 850, NX 850, installed at $7 a square yard. That seems to be about right. And then below the existing grade, I'm going to say that we had to go down 10 inches. Now let's go down only 8 inches to meet the top grade. And then I put in a $5 a cubic yard for the excavation of the earth. So this is where we came up. If we go back down, that's where we came up with the $16.17 a square yard versus the $32.19. I think that's a sizable savings, but I think what's even more impressive here is that the time allowed here. Now it says 1.5 days to do the area of the 10,000 square foot of the stabilized area, or 3.7 days of the non-stabilized area. Now that could depend on how much equipment you could throw at that, but honestly, at the end of the day, you can get the stabilized section done about half the time. So anyway, I thought it was a good thing to go through. We do get called out quite a bit for the proof rolls and what they can do to pass them. A lot of times we do have to do do a CBR calculations. We do that by doing DCP testing out there. You may be able to get that CBR value from your geotech on record. If you can, we need to convert it into a CBR value to plug it into the program here. But anyway, really nice program. Tensar did a wonderful job here. If you have any questions or you want someone to walk you through this, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to do it. Thank you.